In this video, Professor Liu is going to show you how to do Project 1B. You are going to use Visual Studio 2022, create a Visual Basic project named Splash Project 1B. In this project, you'll continue very similar to your Splash Project 1A. You had a label and you also have a picture box. We're going to add a button, and this button uh, will show will close the program. This button will close the program, and we're going to call this btn exit. So you are going to learn this right now in Visual Basic. We're going to name. We're going to give the name for a button. And if that's a button, we use a three character. It's BTM. Okay. So let's start it right now. Okay. So I'm going to use Visual Studio 2022. I'm going to create new projects. I am going to select Visual Basic. I'm going to select Window Form Application, and I'm going to say next. I'm going to call this Splash. Splash. Project 1B. Okay. And I'm going to say next. And create. So after I set up from my project one, I set up my default have 3 window. I should have it. It just will be always there. Okay. I have a toolbox window. Have solution explorer. I also have a property box. So we do the same thing. Let's quick review. Label. Okay. And we change here. We say project 1B. 1B by my name. It's okay. And of course, the font, let's make it to bigger, a little bit bigger. It's okay. Let's make it up to 18. Now this is review. We are going to have a picture box, and right here we're going to have picture box. All right. So this time we also want to name here why a picture box is PIC. Okay. Then this will be country charm, right? So we say picture PIC country charm. Okay. Then right here we're going to click this, and we are going to choose image again. It's the same old image right here. Is the country charm. Okay. Right here we say okay. We don't see it. The reason is the picture is too big until we can stretch means just going to fit into this box. Okay. Now I'm going to add a little bit new thing here. I'm going to add a button, because in previous 1A I have to close the file. I have to click X to close the file to end the program. But now I'm going to use the button to do that. So I'm going to create button. Add a button here. We're going to learn how to be a professional programmer. We name it button is called BTN. We're going to call exit, EXIT, because this is for you to get out the program. Okay. Then over here, the text we're going to call EXIT. So exit. All right. What did I write? EXIT. Alright, so I have that right now. Now I need to write the code, so I double click it. Once I click it, I miss this project. Miss this project. Close. It will be closed right now. And it tell you that you need to put left and right parentheses. It kind of give you the hint. Alright, so I'm done. Then I have two windows right now. I have a code window. I have a design window. Hey, in order to see all these, you could do this. You could do this window, and you could do horizontal or vertical. Let's do vertically. Vertical. All right. So I have two things right now. I have the design window, and I have the code window. Okay. And I'm going to build it right now. I'm going to start without debugging. So my program is right here. Now, before I click the X to get out the program, did you remember? Right now, I'm just click exit. The program will be end. Okay. Now the program end right now. I'm going to retrieve the exe file and make my zip file. So I have to file exit this. Otherwise, the Visual Studio doesn't allow me to create a zip file. So I do the exactly same old thing. I coming back and to my coming back to my C drive. I'm coming back to user, my hard drive name. Then I go to source. I go to repos, CIT111. I'm going to chapter 1. I got right here splash project 1B. Okay, then I'm going to open the bin, debug. Then I got my exe file. Let me double click it. Oh, that's correct. So I'm going to right click it and copy. I go back to my chapter 1 right here. I paste. Now I'm going to zip this one, right click it, and I'm going to send to the compress. Okay, so I'm going to submit these two. Okay, the exe and the zip. The exe and the zip. So what I do is I click submit assignment. Then first I upload it. Okay. Then I need to choose file. It was in my C drive. It was in my C drive. And user, my hard drive, and source. Then repo. It was in my CIT111 and in my chapter 1. Okay, so I'm going to get the exe file first. I got it. I add another one. Then I upload it. I choose the file. Then I want to do the zip one. Alright, so I have 2 file here. Once I have that, I want to submit the assignment. Yes, I'm correct right now. I hope you like this video and will complete this assignment successfully. Okay.